Hello folks, Samsung never shied away from poking fun at Apple, often extending its arm to reach iPhone users in hopes of winning them over to the blue side. As you may have guessed, the company's US marketing department has just launched another ad, and this time it's asking Apple customers, iPhone users in particular, to stop being on fence about switching sides. The latest ad is titled "On the Fence." The Apple brand is nowhere mentioned, but it's obvious that Samsung is taking another jab at the Cupertino-based company. Oh wait, I just saw that Samsung did mention Apple in this ad. Just look at the two standing people grabbing their iPhones in their hands. Yeah, it's definitely iPhones. And in typical Samsung fashion, the term "on the fence," which means to be undecided, is taken quite literally. The 30-second ad shows an alleged Apple customer sitting on a fence and getting ready to jump over to the Samsung side, only to be held back by a couple of other iPhone users claiming that they are not allowed to sit on the fence. The soon-to-be a Samsung customer notes that Galaxy phones already fold and have epic cameras, so there's no reason to wait for Apple to catch up. iPhone users say they should wait because they always do. In other words, Samsung says that if iPhone users want to experience something new, epic and exciting, they don't have to wait for Apple to come around. The Galaxy lineup can provide. The fence is also a metaphor for Apple with its walled-in ecosystem. It's a clever ad with a comedic undertone, but whether or not it will remain on YouTube forever remains to be seen. Samsung removed some of its early ingenious ads released a few years ago because it followed in Apple's footsteps a couple of years later. However, there's no denying that Samsung is indeed leading the charge in the foldable smartphone market, and it's fair to say that Apple customers wanting to experience foldable technology have only one reasonable option: Samsung. Apple is reportedly planning to use foldable display technology for some of its future devices, but as yet the company's direction remains unclear. There's no guarantee that iPhones will ever be foldable, with some reports stating that Apple may release a foldable iPad before considering using the technology for its smartphones. At the end of the day, however, it's probably best not to take the eternal Samsung versus Apple debate too seriously and view this undeniably fun little commercial as an innocent piece of entertainment. But still, I hope Samsung would rather meet the needs of their own customers than being so desperate for iPhone users. Also, regardless of what neat things might be hidden on the other side of a fence, it's worth keeping in mind that climbing and jumping over such a construction can be dangerous out in the real world. Maybe try a gate or something instead. What do you guys think about this kind of commercial? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, good luck to all.